The ocean covers most of our planet, stretching across more than 70% of the Earth's surface. It's a vast and mysterious place, filled with secrets and wonders that we are only beginning to uncover. Despite its enormity, we've only explored about 5% of it. This means that the majority of the ocean remains a mystery, waiting to be discovered. Imagine a world hidden beneath the waves. That's the ocean floor, a place that is as alien to us as the surface of another planet. The ocean floor is important for many reasons. It plays a crucial role in supporting marine ecosystems and maintaining the health of our planet. It influences ocean currents and weather patterns, which in turn affect our climate and weather systems on land. It's also home to a huge variety of life, from tiny microorganisms to massive whales, all of which contribute to the biodiversity of our planet. We depend on the ocean for food, oxygen, and even medicine. Many of the resources we rely on come from the depths of the ocean. Exploring the ocean floor is like exploring another planet. The conditions are extreme and the environment is unlike anything we experience on the surface. It's full of strange and wonderful creatures, many of which have adapted to survive in the harsh conditions of the deep sea. There are mountains taller than Mount Everest and canyons deeper than the Grand Canyon. These underwater landscapes are as dramatic and varied as those on land. We're still learning about the ocean floor. Each new discovery helps us understand more about this hidden world and its impact on our planet. Every expedition brings new discoveries, revealing more about the creatures that live there and the geological processes that shape the ocean floor. It's an exciting time to be an ocean explorer. With advances in technology, we're able to explore deeper and more thoroughly than ever before, uncovering the secrets of the ocean floor and expanding our knowledge of this hidden world. The ocean floor isn't flat. It's a dynamic and varied landscape, much like the surface of the Earth. It has mountains, valleys and plains, each contributing to the complex topography beneath the waves. These features are formed by the movement of Earth's tectonic plates, which are constantly shifting and reshaping the ocean floor. Continental shelves are shallow areas around the edges of continents. They extend from the shoreline to the continental slope. They were once dry land, but are now underwater, submerged due to rising sea levels over millions of years. Abyssal plains are vast, flat areas of the ocean floor. They are some of the flattest, smoothest regions on Earth. They are covered in sediment, which has settled over time from the water above, creating a thick, soft layer. Mid-ocean ridges are underwater mountain ranges. They are the longest mountain ranges in the world, stretching across the ocean floor. They form where tectonic plates are moving apart, allowing magma to rise and create new oceanic crust. Deep-sea trenches are the deepest parts of the ocean. These narrow, steep-sided canyons plunge thousands of feet below the ocean surface. They form where tectonic plates collide, forcing one plate to dive beneath another in a process called subduction. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the ocean. It is a crescent-shaped scar in the Earth's crust. It's over 7 miles deep. This depth is so extreme that the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. If Mount Everest were placed in the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. The ocean floor is constantly changing. This is due to plate tectonics. Earth's outer layer is broken into plates. These plates move slowly over time. When plates collide, they can buckle and form mountains. When they move apart, magma rises up to create new crust. This process is called seafloor spreading. Sedimentation also plays a role in shaping the ocean floor. Rivers carry sediment from land into the ocean. This sediment settles on the ocean floor, creating layers over time. The ocean floor is a dynamic environment. It's constantly being reshaped by geological processes. Despite the darkness and pressure, life thrives on the ocean floor. Creatures have adapted to survive in these extreme conditions. Hydrothermal vents are like underwater geysers. They release hot, mineral-rich water. Amazingly, life exists around these vents. Tubeworms, clams, and mussels cluster around vents. They rely on bacteria to convert chemicals into energy. This is called chemosynthesis. Deep-sea creatures have developed unique adaptations. Some have bioluminescent organs to attract prey or mates. Others have large eyes to see in the dark. Section 5. Hot springs, cold seeps and other ocean wonders. Hydrothermal vents aren't the only oases of life in the deep. Cold seeps are areas where methane and other hydrocarbons seep from the seafloor. Like hydrothermal vents, cold seeps support unique ecosystems. Bacteria use methane as an energy source, supporting a web of life. The ocean floor is also home to seamounts. These underwater mountains attract a variety of marine life. They act like underwater islands. Seamounts provide habitats for corals, sponges and fish. They're also important feeding grounds for larger predators like sharks and tuna. Section 6. Into the abyss. Exploring the ocean depths. Exploring the ocean floor is challenging but rewarding. Scientists use advanced technology to study this hidden world. Submersibles are underwater vehicles that can carry scientists to great depths. They're equipped with cameras, lights and robotic arms. Remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, are tethered to a ship. They're controlled by pilots on the surface. ROVs collect samples and capture video footage. Sonar mapping uses sound waves to create images of the ocean floor. This helps scientists to map the seafloor and identify interesting features. Section 7. The tools of discovery. Scientists use a variety of tools to study the ocean floor. These tools allow them to collect data and learn about this remote environment. Sediment cores are long tubes of sediment collected from the seafloor. They provide a historical record of ocean conditions. Underwater cameras capture images and videos of deep-sea creatures and habitats. These images help us to understand the diversity of life in the deep. Autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, are robots that operate independently. They can cover large areas of the ocean floor collecting data. Section 8. Treasures from the deep, why we explore. Exploring the ocean floor isn't just about adventure. It's also about making discoveries that can benefit humanity. The ocean is a source of potential new medicines. Many marine organisms produce compounds with medicinal properties. Studying deep-sea creatures can teach us about adaptation and survival in extreme environments. This knowledge could have applications in other fields. Understanding the ocean floor is crucial for managing our oceans sustainably. We need to know how human activities are impacting this fragile environment. Section 9. The ocean's future, our future. The vast, mysterious depths of the ocean hold the key to our planet's health and our own future. The ocean is facing many threats. These include pollution, climate change and overfishing. Each of these issues poses a significant risk to the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. These threats impact the health of the ocean and its inhabitants. Pollution can smother coral reefs, while overfishing depletes fish populations, disrupting the food chain. We all have a role to play in protecting the ocean. From individual actions to community efforts, every step counts. We can reduce our plastic use, conserve water, and make more eco-friendly choices in our daily lives. Simple actions like using reusable bags and bottles can make a big difference. And make sustainable seafood choices. Supporting sustainable fishing practices helps ensure that fish populations remain healthy and abundant for future generations. By learning about the ocean and its importance, we can foster a deeper appreciation for this vital resource. Education empowers us to make informed decisions. We can inspire others to protect it. When we share our knowledge and passion, we create a ripple effect that can lead to widespread change. Education is key to ensuring a healthy future for our oceans. Schools, documentaries and workshops play a crucial role in spreading awareness. The ocean is a shared resource. It connects us all. Whether we live near the coast or far inland, the ocean's health impacts everyone. It's our responsibility to be good stewards of this precious ecosystem. By working together, we can protect and preserve the ocean for future generations to enjoy and cherish. Section 10. Join the adventure. Exploring the ocean floor is an ongoing adventure. There's still so much more to discover. You can be a part of this exciting journey. Learn more about the ocean and its creatures. Read books, watch documentaries and visit aquariums. Share your knowledge with others. Support organizations that are working to protect the ocean. You can volunteer your time, donate to a cause, or simply spread awareness. The ocean needs our help. By working together, we can ensure that this amazing ecosystem thrives for generations to come.